When investing in a hot tub, there's some key things you need to consider. The first thing I like to ask customers is, what's the purpose for owning a hot tub? Is this going to be for family, relaxation, hydrotherapy, entertainment? There's so many different types of spas out there, and it's very important to make sure you get the spa that's right for you. One of the first things you also want to consider is size. There's so many different sizes of hot tubs out there. The most standard size of a hot tub is typically a 7x7, which is about 84 by 84 inches, around 36 inches tall, up to 8x8. And we even have spas that are larger than that. You have 9x11 spas. So understanding the size, your space is very critical to making sure you have the right spa that fits your space. The next key decision is going to be jet type. What kind of spa are you wanting? Are you wanting a deep tissue spa, a soft tissue spa, or just a spa with motion to hang out, soak, and relax in? There's so many different types of options that we have here for you, and it's very important to know what you're looking for as far as massage types. The other thing is going to be maintenance. There's so many different types of ways to take care of your water. Some cost more than others, some are easier than others. What we like here at Caldera is our Freshwater Salt System, which makes it a lot easier to take care of your spa with less harsh chemicals, less maintenance. It makes it a breeze, makes owning a hot tub easy. Another thing that's very important to understand is just annual cost of owning a hot tub. Energy efficiency. Our spas come with 24-hour circulation pumps, which allow your water to move, not be stagnant, and has less time for them to become filled with bacteria and algae because they're turning over that water so many times compared to traditional hot tubs. There's so many different hot tubs to choose from. We have over 20 hot tubs here on our floor. Come on in and let's see if we can find the best hot tub for you.